So now I'll create a sketch of different shapes. Okay. Now I have this is a previous sketch, and I'll create one more sketch. Reversing be like this. Or you can take the reference also, no issues. Create like this. Finish. Now what I have two different sketch. Okay.
Mm.
You can join the same sketch, or you can use the lines also, curves also. You can use no issues. But I'll create one more sketch. Select one point and select one more point. Select one more point. So now I have completely closed sketch. Okay. Now I'll select the surface through mesh. So this is what we wanted. So we have primary curves and cross curves. Cross, if you select this as primary curve, so cross curve
Mm.
will be perpendicular to it like this or like this. Anything. Totally cross section curve. Okay. First I'll select the primary curve, then click on plus mark and select one more primary curve. Okay. Now it's done. Now go to cross section, click on this, select one more and click on this. So now what you got? You got a closed surface. Okay. This is how you can create, or you can add one more. So now completely adjacent or corresponding surface will be created. If you select normally like through mesh plus plus cross section,
Why don't you take these
then
three lines as a primary curves?
you can take no issues. I'll do that one also. Wait. So now only one surface I have created. Now select this primary curve, this one,
Mm.
this one, and this one. Cross curve, this one, plus this one. So now two surfaces created. Okay. This is how you can create. But here there's a sharp edge like this because there are two different surfaces. Okay, this is
Mm.
different. This is different. If you add three lines completely, it will be a single sketch. Now, if you want me to select this as a primary curve, right? I'll select that one also. Through mesh. So primary curve, I'll select this one more, this one. Okay. Now select cross section curve. This one plus this one. Both are same. If you select this as primary, this will be cross. This will, if you select this as primary, this will be cross curves. That's it. Okay.
Okay.